In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve common Windows Store app problems that you're experiencing on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Start menu, and you want to type in Troubleshoot. Best result should come back with Troubleshoot Settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right panel, select Additional Troubleshooters. And then scrolling down underneath Find and Fix Other Problems, go all the way down to the bottom where it says Windows Store Apps. Troubleshoot problems that may prevent Windows Store apps from working properly. Go ahead and select that and then run the troubleshooter. Give that a moment here. And then, like I said, just follow along with the on-screen directions about what it's suggesting here. And hopefully I would resolve the problem. Like in this case, you just would have to enter in your Microsoft account. If you're still having a problem, you can open up the search menu and type in WS Reset. Go ahead and open that up to run it. And then hopefully that should open up the Microsoft Store. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.